Hi there, it's your boy Ben. I'm travelling back more than 5 to 6 million years to the bottom of the seafloor in Bayside, Melbourne, and what's that thing next to the sea urchin? It's a tooth, and what a tooth! It looks to be the ancestor of the great white shark itself, Carcharodon hastalis, dating back more than 5 million years of age.
Wow! Now sharks, unlike mammals, go through thousands of teeth within a given lifetime. It's one of the reasons we find so many shark teeth at the bottom of the sea floor in Bayside. This tooth here belongs to the ancestor of the great white shark, but when you compare it to a tooth of a modern great white, you might be able to tell it's missing something. The slight serrations running up and down the blade. So how can we tell that this is an ancestor of the great white at all? Remarkable transitional forms from Peru with slight little bumps running up and down the blade demonstrate that they were eating coarse, rough mammalian prey, probably something like seals. This is an awesome tooth. Whoa!
Here we're diving back in Bayside, Melbourne yet again in Site B, 5 to 6 million years of age. This is my colleague Connor Brecken, who strapped a GoPro to his chest, and look what he's found. An incredible tooth from one of the most terrifying predators of all time, Carclarins, a taurus, Megalodon. You can see the tiny little serrations running up and down the blade. The specimen is currently housed within the collections of Museums Victoria. It's a stunning piece. Oh, alrighty, what's in between that rock there? Piss off rock, we don't need you, eh? As I put it in my hand, I start to realize, that is the tooth of an archaic form of Carclarins taurus, the grey nurse shark. Gorgeous, needle-sharp dentition.
Whoa! Once widespread throughout the state of Victoria, the grey nurse shark is a striking sight. This tooth, a lower tooth, is still sharp. Despite being entombed in sediment for the last 5 million years. The saddest thing about this shark is what we did to them in the 20th century. We systematically exterminated them from the state of Victoria because just like the orcs from Lord of the Rings, we thought they fed on man flesh. But that was not the case, instead opting for a diet of fish. We will never again see a grey nurse shark in the state of Victoria.
Crikey, Chazwazza, we're back on land this time. No need to hold your breath. What is it I'm pointing to, though? Looks a little bit like a green jelly bean, my favourite jelly bean. But no, that's the grinding tooth of Heterodontus cainozoicus, the Port Jackson shark.
Whoa! Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked what you've seen, check out our description below or check out my bio. There you'll find our Patreon with never before seen footage of what it takes to find these fossils at the bottom of the seafloor. There's a staggering amount of work that goes into making these videos, from launching the expeditions to finding the fossils to consolidating the fossils in glue, let alone all the script writing and editing that goes on behind the scenes. There's a lot of work, and it is only with your help that we can preserve the heritage of Melbourne. Each of the specimens that you've seen in this episode will make their way into the repository of Museums Victoria, where we can study them for generations to come. So please consider donating, and thank you for your help. Ben out. Whoa! Whoa! Like and subscribe and join us next week as we locate the jaws of a giant horse-sized ghost shark and find more evidence of prehistoric dolphins in Bayside. Ben out. Whoa.